All right, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. S. So I need your help. I have a brother. My brother's name is Jeff, and he lives on the West Coast in Seattle, and he runs this really, really big company, and he needs some help with his math. He wants to bring part of the company to Havelock, to where you guys live, and he wants to do a drone delivery operation out of Cherry Point in Havelock. And that way they could fly drones around the city and deliver things. But he's been having some trouble. So instead of me just telling you about it, I thought we could FaceTime him real quick, and we'll talk to Jeff, and then he'll just tell you about everything. So here, I'm going to pull him up. He's a really busy guy. So let's see here. I'll just do video. Let's see if we can get a hold of him. Hey, Jeff, it's your brother, Mr. S. Yeah, okay, yeah, listen, yeah, just get it done, all right? Yeah, listen, I'm the richest human in the world, in the universe, okay? I got lots of money. So yeah, just get it done. I run the largest company in the universe. It's called Amazon. Maybe you've heard of it. So yeah, just get it done, okay? All right. Oh, hey, brother, how's it going? Oh, you mean this old thing? This is a shoe, but it's also a phone. It's a new product. It's called a phone with a foot. It's a revolution in footwear. Listen, I haven't made that up yet. But hey, are we on the call with the kids? Listen, I don't have a lot of time. All right, time is money. Okay. So yeah, are these the kids you were telling me about? Okay, great. I'm gonna talk to you right now. Kids, hello. My name is Jeff. Listen, I need your help. I'm thinking about bringing part of my delivery service to the Havelock area. Okay, what we're gonna have is drones. We're gonna have drones that pick up packages, kind of like the shoe phone, and they're gonna fly through the air, and they're gonna deliver the packages by the air, by drones, all right, coded drones, all right. No more delivery trucks. No more. I lost my shoe phone in the mail. No, we're just gonna fly it right to them, okay. But we've been having some problems with my mathematicians in Havelock. They don't really understand the coordinate plane and the point of origin and all that stuff, and they're dropping off the packages in the wrong quadrants. Okay, they're getting the numbers all mixed up, and I mean, just the other day we accidentally delivered 27 banana costumes to a retirement facility. Okay, old people. Okay. What are they going to do with banana costumes? I don't know. But listen, we need to get it better. We need to make it better. We need your help. And so once you get through with this project with your teacher, Mrs. C, or whatever her name is, listen, we need you to call me on the shoe phone, and when you're ready, and then we're going to have you input the coordinates for the drones, and then we're going to be able to, make tons of money. Excuse me. I think I have to sneeze. I got some allergies. Hold on. Oh, yeah. It's got some Kleenex. It's just money because I'm the richest man in the world. Anyways, it was good talking to you, brother. You give them the details and have them call me, and we'll go. What is that? It's ringing? That's not. How do you change the ringer on this thing? Hello? That's not it. Oh, great. Thanks, brother. Okay, see you later. Good to talk to you. Turn this off. Yeah, you want to hit that button. Yeah, that one. All right. Now listen, guys, I know my brother can be kind of goofy, but listen, he really means well. Drone delivery really is the future, and there's a lot of places in the world where people live far from big cities, and having things delivered by drone will allow things to get to places a lot quicker than they do now. And it's not just like to buy shoes, or banana costumes, but medicine. A lot of people get medicine that they use regularly in the mail. So being able to reach more people quicker can have a huge effect on everything. So your teacher will let me know when I need to get my brother back on the phone, and we'll get these drones going. So good luck.
All right, guys. So you heard the problem is that, especially now with COVID, and have any of you ordered anything offline, or maybe your parents ordered something offline and then it took forever for your package to get there, and it was really late or delayed, and that's happened to me. So now Amazon is trying to use drones, and they're trying it out in a couple of areas, and they're obviously wanting to try to bring it to Havelock now. So we're going to work on trying to help them with how to get the drones to the different locations. So, and it also helps because, the drivers don't want to come in contact with all of those people that they have to deliver to. So this is super important for maybe what the future is going to look like as far as delivery stuff goes. So I'm going to show you a slide really quick. Maybe if it'll come up. Here you go. So our basic idea is that we're going to have to be able to tell the drones how to deliver to the house. So we're going to take Havelock and put it in a big map, and we're going to split it up like how you see over here on the left-hand side. It's split into a coordinate plane. And Mr. S and Mr. Jeff, you might have used some vocabulary words that maybe you're not sure yet. They said something about the quadrants and the coordinate plane, and I think he said origin, or he tried to say origin, which you should know about a little bit. But we're going to learn more as that goes on. So I want you to think about this drone right here and where it is. How would you give the drone directions to get up to this house right here? We're just thinking right now. This isn't our actual project yet, but I just want to get you thinking about how would you tell this drone to get to this house to make that delivery? What would you say? I'm going to give you some think time, and then you can start raising your blue hands if you have an idea you would like to share. But again, I'm going to give you think time right now. Okay, I've given you a little bit of time to think. I'm still not seeing a ton of hands, but we'll go ahead and start discussing some ideas of how would you tell that drone to get to the house to deliver that package. Nellie, go ahead. What's your idea?
My idea would be to go from the 2 to the 3 across, and from the 3 to the 4 across, and then from the 4 to the 5 across.
Okay.
Like in a slanted line.
Okay.
Like going sideways but going upwards at the same time.
Okay. I can definitely see that. Yes, totally. Thank you for sharing that, Nellie. Let's hear some more ideas. Go ahead, Colin. Colin, make sure you unmute yourself, hon.
I have to think.
Okay, I'll give you a couple more seconds. All right, Ocean, go ahead.
What I would do is I would go up 3 blocks to the y-axis, and then I would go forward or sideways to the right, and at the x-axis, and that should lead you right to the house. Or actually, 2 on the x-axis.
Okay, I hear you using the X and Y axis and saying going up or go right. Totally, I can hear that. Thank you. Lily D?
Maybe like it can go this way.
I need you to use your words. Not everyone's going to be able to see your video. Left, right, up, down.
Right.
Okay. Go to the right. Mm-hmm.
Like it'll go to 5 and then go straight up.
Nice. I appreciate you using the numbers that you see there. That's helpful as well. Awesome. Thank you for sharing, Lily. All right, I'm going to take one more hand. Go ahead, Kimmy.
So when I was thinking that the drone could do, I was thinking that it could go up on the y-axis to 3 and go right on the x-axis to 3, and then it could go up on the y-axis to 4, then go over to 4 on the x-axis, so it keeps going over, and then at 5 on the x-axis. When it's at 4 on the x-axis, you just make it go all the way over to 5 on the y-axis, and then it would be at the door of the house.
Awesome. Yeah, totally. And I think it's super cool that I've asked like 4 or 5 different kids and everyone's come up with something slightly different. And that is totally normal. That's awesome. And I love how y'all are using the knowledge that you already have to kind of talk me through it. You're talking about that X and the Y axis that we learned about last week, or the past couple of weeks. And you're telling me different directions. I heard, I think horizontal, left, right, diagonal. That's awesome. So I'm not going to tell you the answers or anything today. We're just starting to get thinking about how we could tell these drones to deliver to the house. So tomorrow, you do not have a live Zoom. So I've recorded a lesson for you tomorrow that's going to kind of give you all of the basics about the coordinate plane so that once we get back live on Zoom, we can go ahead and start digging right into our project and how to use those drones and move the drones to be able to get the packages to the homes. And so just so you know, Mr. S really is going to use what you give me for your final project, and he is going to fly the drones with the directions that you give and move packages. So just keep that in mind and make sure you are really focusing during all of the lessons so that you can use that knowledge to help with the directions and everything. So before I let you go, does anyone have questions so far? Anybody have questions? And if I don't see hands, Miss Slinsky or Miss Hernandez, let me know because my little bar at the bottom isn't coming up.
Kaylee, Samira, and Colin have questions.
All right, let's start with Kaylee.
What exactly is our assignment for today?
So for today, we were just kind of exploring and learning about what you're going to be doing. You don't really have an assignment exactly for today. Good question. Your big assignments start tomorrow. Okay, Naha, go ahead.
Does Mr. S actually have a brother named Jeff?
Yeah, you saw one.
Okay.
I told you, they look like they're almost twins. It's crazy. Good question. Okay, Ocean.
The question is about the questions. If we don't have a question, then can we leave?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'll let you know. Elliot, go ahead.
So The drone thing, is that the thing that we saw, the drone experiment thing? And the video of the flat map that we seen?
Yes, that's
Or,
drone. Hmm.
okay,
Good question. All right, and I don't see any more hands. Teachers, y'all see other hands? Oh, Cullen, do you have a question?
I didn't know what you were saying because I got kicked out when the video started and everything like that.
Okay, well, I recorded it, so I will send you the link in an email just so you know exactly when it's posted, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys. Well, it looks like we don't have any more questions, so I'm going to let you go ahead and hop off and take your break for a little bit, and make sure you log back on at 10:15 for ELA. Bye, guys.